The topic of today's video is how to fix transaction errors in Phantom Wallet. Now, I'm going to assume that you have checked that your internet connection is stable. Secondly, I'm going to assume that you have tried switching off your VPN if you are using one, because that can also cause interference. And then I'm going to give you some bad news, and highly likely what is the actual problem is just a case of congestion thanks to all the bots chasing those meme coins. But just in the case that it might not be, what I would say is if you're using the mobile app, what you want to do is go out of your Phantom Wallet, go to the app icon and long press. Then you're going to click on App Info, and inside here you want to go to Storage Usage and Clear Cache. Now give that a try and see if that fixes your problem. But again, usually when there's an error, transaction-wise, it's usually congestion. But I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.